Now let us see the conversation between two travelers. Okay, they are going to the Chennai. They are going to Chennai. One man asks the others what is the first, where he is going. Okay, when will the train come? In the platform, in the railway station, they are having this conversation. Okay, one man name is Ramesh, the another one is Johnny. Okay, Ramesh, Johnny, here on the railways platform. Okay, on the railway platform, they are having this conversation, talking both themselves. The first, the Ramesh, चेन्नई जाने की गाड़ी कितने बजे आएगी? चेन्नई जाने की गाड़ी कितने बजे आएगी? When will Chennai train come? Okay, when will the Chennai train come? Johnny is replying, 7 बजे यहाँ आएगी. 7 बजे यहाँ आएगी. It will come at 7 o'clock. Okay, रमेश, क्या गाड़ी समय पर आ रही है? He is asking question here. क्या गाड़ी समय पर आ रही है? Okay, is the train coming in the correct time? Okay, गाड़ी आधा घंटा देर से आ रही है. Here we can say yes or no. For that we can say here नहीं गाड़ी आधा घंटा देर से आ रही है. Okay, the train is coming late by half an hour. You can say here no, the train is coming late by half an hour. चेन्नई का क्या किराया है? चेन्नई का क्या किराया है? This is also a question type. We can make here question mark. Okay, चेन्नई का क्या किराया है? What is the train fare for Chennai? Then he is answering that 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Then ticket किस खिड़की पर मिल सकता है? टिकट किस खिड़की पर मिल सकता है? Okay, in which counter we have to take ticket? Okay, खिड़की नंबर 3 पर. He is saying that counter number 3. Okay, here they are relieving on the platform. ठीक है फिर मिलेंगे. ठीक है फिर मिलेंगे. Okay, all right, we will see. He is saying goodbye, then goodbye. This is the simple conversation between two passengers. Okay, they are going to Chennai. Okay, these are the simple one. First he is asking when the train is coming. Okay, for that he has to ask चेन्नई जाने की गाड़ी कितने बजे आएगी? Okay, when will Chennai train come? Here he is replying 7 बजे यहाँ आएगी. Okay, it will come at 7 o'clock. क्या गाड़ी समय पर आ रही है? Okay, this is a yes or no type question. Okay, is the train coming in the correct time? Okay, he is saying that नहीं गाड़ी आधा घंटा देर से आ रही है. No, the train is coming late by half an hour. चेन्नई का क्या किराया है? Okay, what is the train fare for Chennai? Then 100 rupees. 100 rupees means here 100 rupees for going Chennai. टिकट किस खिड़की पर मिल सकता है? खिड़की means counter. Okay, टिकट किस खिड़की पर मिल सकता है? In which counter we have to take ticket? Okay, he is answering that खिड़की number 3. Okay, खिड़की number 3 means here counter number 3. Okay, he is going to take ticket. ठीक है फिर मिलेंगे. Okay, all right. We will see saying they are departing themselves. Goodbye, goodbye.